Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to be explaining a little bit more about what happened when we installed WordPress so that we can understand exactly what we're doing. Now, most people just run the installation, and if you're not familiar with this sort of thing, you might not be familiar with what exactly happened. Well, the installation basically connected to our database, let our application have a configuration file written that not only connects to our database but is configured into the site, but it also installs the tables necessary for the application to run in our database. And you can see the tables are all in here, and this is basically what WordPress looks like after you've installed it. If you're familiar with other content management systems, like things like Drupal has a lot more tables than this. And WordPress is just different in its structure. And you may have thought, well, is this it? Yes, this is it. This is all of the database information that WordPress needs to install. And you can see this installs around 500 kilobytes. So let's come back to our site here. And what does this mean? We have the site running. We can now create posts, create pages, add themes. We can now install plugins. We can log in, and we can basically just get blogging. And because WordPress is primarily a blogging interface and a blogging CMS, it's really set up to do just that out of the box. However, WordPress is capable of lots more things, and many large sites that you visit frequently are built on WordPress. It's one of the most used content management systems, and the best part about that is there's lots of resources available for it. Now, if you want to get into the back end of the site or the administrative section of the site, you can do so by clicking this Login. Now, if you click Login here, it's going to take you to wp-login.php. Likewise, you can just type in the address to your site and then type wp-login.php, and it'll take you here as well. Now, when I log in, this is the administrative section of the site. Like you would have seen at the end of the last video, this is where the content editors and managers of the site can publish and unpublish posts and basically control all aspects of the site. Notice how you can drag things around here and really customize it to your liking. WordPress is really great about making the content editing experience is really nice. So in other solutions like Drupal, you may have installed it and right out of the box it wasn't super useful without installing a bunch of modules. With WordPress, it's a little bit different. Because the solution is a little bit more wrapped up, right out of the box, you're pretty much ready to go. If you want to use this base theme or you've installed another theme already, all of your functionality that you'll need to get up and running with a basic blogger site is already here. So from here in the back end, all we have to do is click this house and then visit site to take you to the front end of our site. And from here we can click around. You can see this Hello World post. If we're on the home page back here, we have a title and a basic blog post that's just a teaser. If we click on the title, it takes us to the page of that blog post, and it has the full content with comments, and we could even leave a comment right now if we wanted. Okay, inserting hello comments, posting a comment, and you'll see it already says that the admin has posted a comment here. Now we can even search this page already if we want, and it looks like my last search terms were tiny, MCE, and penguins, which is great. We could search for either one of those things. However, it probably won't find a whole lot because we don't have that content in our site. But if you wanted to check and you just wanted to say, let's search for hello, it's going to find this Hello World post already for us. So search is working out of the box, our blog posts and pages are working out of the box, comments is working out of the box, and our admin section, pretty much, like I said, everything you need to get going. And we have this basic theme up and running. So if this is all you need, get started posting stuff, just play around. This is WordPress installed on your computer, and now you can fully explore the WordPress interface and everything for yourself. And don't be afraid to break it. There's all sorts of ways that we can cover if you break your WordPress, how to fix it and stuff like that. But really, you just want to explore it. And if you mess up, you can always start over if you don't know how to fix it. So just take this time to click around and just experience WordPress, the front end and the back end. In the next video, we're going to be giving you a tour of the back end, and we're going to be showing you where everything is. That way, if you know what you have to do already, you can just watch this video to find out how to exactly get to where you're trying to go. Then after that, we're going to take it into actually working with content itself, and then how you post and publish and monitor and everything with your content, including sorting it, categories, and stuff like that. And then from there, we're going to just take more and more customization until you're a WordPress master. If you have no experience with PHP or anything, don't worry about that. We're going to be covering all of what the WordPress specific PHP code is like, and you're going to be understanding not only what the code is doing, but how to write it yourself. So as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions or comments, please leave a comment on the video, or hit us up at Twitter Level Up Tuts, or on Facebook. We also have the Level Up Tuts forum now on the Level Up Tuts website. And keep in mind that we do all of these videos for free in our spare time. This is not our full-time job or anything like that. This is a nights and weekends thing, so we appreciate any donations we can get. We have the donation link on the About page on our YouTube channel, or there's also a donation link on our website itself. So check it out. If you feel like supporting Level Up Tuts, go ahead and do that. There's also going to be some exciting new ways to support Level Up Tuts coming this year. So more videos very soon. As always, thanks for watching. Bye.